Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Lebanese night dessert, also known as Layali lubnan. Let's start. I am taking 375 grams of condensed milk and adding 2 cups of warm water from the same cup and mix them well. After all mixed well I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix them again. Now I am going to heat up the condensed milk mixture in medium flames. After adding to the pan, then I am adding 130 grams of semolina into the pan. After couple of minutes, add some orange blossoms or rose water into the mixture. Continue stirring the mixture for 5 minutes. After cooking this mixture for 5 minutes, then I am adding 1 teaspoon of butter and again keep stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once you get a thick mixture as you can see in the video, take out the mixture from the cooker. Then apply some butter to the pudding pan and transfer the mixture to the pudding pan. Spread the mixture evenly and close it until cool down. If you still watching the video and if you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this. Once cool down, keep in the fridge for 1 hour. Now let's move on to the syrup. First I am adding 1 cup of sugar into the cooking pan and adding 1 1/4 cup of water and heat this up until sugar fully dissolve in the water. While heating the syrup, I am adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of orange blossom or rose water and keep stirring. You have to heat the syrup for around 6 to 8 minutes. Now I am going to make the whipping cream. For this I am taking 200 milliliters of whipping cream and beat the cream from a mixture until I get thick foamy whipping cream. In between I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla into the whipping cream. Here you can use ready-made whipping cream or you can make your own whipping cream. Now it's time to take out the dessert pan from the fridge and add thick layer of whipping cream on top of it. Evenly spread the whipping cream in the pan. At this moment I would like to know from which city you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. Now close this again and keep in the fridge for another 2 hours. We are almost there to taste this nice dessert. Now I am adding some toasted chopped nuts on top of the pudding and some rose petals. See how nice this dessert looks. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Now add the syrup into the dessert and now you can taste this with your family and friends. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.